It was walking, talking, flipping pancakes, and, get this, blinking at you like it knows you forgot to do leg day. So, what's really going on here? Let's talk about it. It was like a techno zoo, but for the future. Okay, first things first, walking into this place felt like stumbling into tomorrow. Picture a hall the size of 3 football fields, buzzing with servo motors, blinking LEDs, and conversations in at least 3 different robotic voices. Kids were taking selfies with dancing androids, engineers were jotting notes like mad scientists, and somewhere between the coffee stand and the delivery drone booth, there was a robot that paints portraits. I mean, why? Because they can. Let's talk humanoids. The stars of the show. If you're picturing clunky, slow-walking bots from the early 2000s, nah, forget that. These humanoids were graceful. Some even nailed micro-expressions. We're talking slight eyebrow twitches, eye contact, even natural hesitation in speech. It's no longer about machines mimicking humans. It's about machines feeling almost socially present. A little creepy? Absolutely. But fascinating? Even more. And I heard someone mutter behind me, I think it knows I'm lying. Not sure if he was joking. But here's the thing, it's not just gimmicks. Now here's where it got really interesting. Forget robots that just wave or dance. We're talking about real-world applications that are basically ready to ship. Nursing assistant bots for elder care, robotic chefs cooking regional Chinese dishes, with surprisingly decent plating, sanitation bots scrubbing subway stations autonomously at 3 a.m. It's not all futuristic fluff, it's rolling out, right now. And I'll be honest, watching an AI-powered butler fold a towel better than me? Bit of a humbling experience. Speech is getting weirdly human. One of the booths demoed a robot that could hold a conversation about climate change, in Mandarin, English, and even a little Cantonese. And it wasn't just translation. The tone shifted based on emotional cues. At one point, someone joked about AI replacing their girlfriend, and the robot blushed. Or at least simulated a blush. Weird flex, but impressive? And yeah, the jokes weren't hilarious. But give it 6 months and they'll probably be writing TikTok skits. Meanwhile, in the back, the industrial giants roared while the humanoids got the crowd's love. The real muscle of the show was in the industrial robotics area. Imagine a fully autonomous logistics system that loads, stacks, sorts, and ships packages, all without human hands ever touching a barcode. Chinese companies like DJI and Hikvision are pushing hard into that space, along with big names like Huawei and Xiaomi throwing down serious R&D cash. The goal? Faster, smarter, cheaper everything. Let's just say, if you work in warehousing, buckle up. Under the hood, chips, data, and domination. Now, what's powering all this? That's where things get even spicier. While the bots are grabbing eyeballs, the real flex is in the processors. Chinese chips from companies like Cambricon are going head-to-head with NVIDIA's tech. Neural engines are getting more compact and more specialized, optimized for vision, speech, mobility, you name it. And AI models are getting local tweaks for better cultural alignment, because yeah, a robot in Shenzhen doesn't talk like one in San Francisco. And let's not even start on OpenAI's shadow in the background. Everyone's watching. Everyone's adapting. So, where's this all going? Here's where we slow down for a sec. Yes, it's cool. Yes, it's impressive. But also, it's complicated. How do we build trust in machines that mimic human emotion? What jobs are we replacing, and which ones are we quietly creating? Can we teach empathy to algorithms? And let's be honest, how many robots is too many robots? We're not at Terminator level yet. But we're inching toward a point where coexistence with intelligent machines isn't just likely, it's necessary. And how we shape that relationship, that's going to define the next decade. One last thing before you go, so, what do you think? Are you excited? Scared? Somewhere between, wow, and please unplug that thing. Tell me in the comments what freaked you out the most, or what robot you'd totally adopt tomorrow. And hey, if you enjoyed this little tour of the future, hit that subscribe button, give the video a like, and ring that bell so you don't miss the next leap forward. Because honestly, this ride's just getting started.